Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off auto snapping in the main track magnet on CapCut PC. So what that basically is when you put in a video, you can't put it anywhere. Well, you can on the second track, but on the first main track you can't. To turn it off, you're just going to simply select turn off main track magnet, and as you can see, you can place your videos anywhere else without it snapping to the main track. You can also turn off auto snapping, which basically means you don't have to put it anywhere specific. Like, it's not going to snap in like a certain place. If you do have it on, it's easier for you to like snap it in place. As you can see, there's this blue line, but if you don't have it on, you can place it anywhere without it like snapping exactly in place. You also have others like turn off linkage and stuff like that, but I don't really use it, but I do have this on because it is much easier to edit with it. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!